So today I came to Elle, Posh, Nails and Spa for a job interview. And guys, I'm gonna get this job because I got too much of experience when it comes to women and beauty. Now, let's check it out. Morning.
Hi, I'm Cass.
Hi. Oh.
I'll be conducting your interview. Welcome to Elle, Posh, Nails and Spa. So how old are you?
I'm 35.
Okay. And where did you study?
For the beauty?
Yes.
On YouTube.
Okay. And how many years of experience do you have?
I've got about 17 years of experience for like looking at women and the beauty, you know, the aspects of the woman.
Okay. What is your favorite treatment that you enjoy doing?
I like full body massages,
Okay.
Swedish massage,
Okay.
especially the lower part, you know.
And what products have you been trained in?
What products?
Yes.
Hey, the only products I use in my life was like Head and Shoulders, Oxy, the thing you put when you got pimples.
Okay.
I don't know nothing else, only the two.
And what is your salary expectation?
Hey, I've got about 3 cars, so I need to make like about 35 grand a month.
So now we're going to do a practical interview.
Okay.
Where you're going to do a treatment for someone.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. I know how to do anything. What I must do?
Let's go.
So what I'm doing here again?
A pedicure.
Okay, cool. Please note, everything I do after this has nothing to do with Elle, Posh, Nail and Spa. This is my version of what a pedicure is because I'd never been to one before and I studied for this. So anyway, check it out. So, I'm ready to do this massage pedicure thing. Now, first you take the customer's feet and you dip it in the water to wash it. Make waves. So now it's all wet. This thing got like beads and stuff inside. So when you're doing a manicure, I'm scrubbing the whole feet. I'm massaging the whole feet. So this procedure takes about 2 minutes to do. What am I doing? Pedicure.
Yeah.
What's the difference between pedicure and manicure?
Pedicure is for your feet and a manicure is for your hands.
I thought manicure is for men. My whole life. But anyway, I must put this in the next other feet now. It's hard. How you manage 2 feet at the same time now?
No.
What I must do with this foot?
Put it back in the water.
I must put this foot in the water, but it's still got the thing on it. Wait, ma'am. Just keep it, hold it there. Guys, I'm getting an A for this. A for effort. Okay, step 1 is done. Now, step 2 is to cut the nails. No nail clipper you got. Step 2 is to wipe the feet. One there. Huh? One for each foot. I feel like I'm gonna eat this lady's foot. Pedicure, no, it's a pedicure, right? Pedicure is by OG. I didn't even get to phase 2 yet. Step 2, this one is a mask. You know like the thing you put in your face on Sunday mornings and then you lay outside in the sun with the cucumbers in your eyes. Apparently I'm not supposed to put this on the toenails, but it's a bit too late for that. You got a wonderful life, huh? This mask is a little bit hard to take out. Now I'm filing the nails, am I right with this thing here?
No. That is for her.
Right, this is like how I file my toenails, eh? Easy, 1, 2, 3. When I cut my toenails, I cut it like first on that side, then I cut it in the middle, so it's like pointy, and then I cut it in the side, and then I use the file instantly. You okay, ma'am? Not paining and everything? Okay, step number 3, we're gonna wash this irritating mask out because this thing is very sticky. So, we'll put it down in the water. It's like I'm giving you a whole bath here, eh? Okay, next step. Bring your feet back here. Put it on me. Where would I be without you? I can even entertain to while I'm giving pedicure. Next thing is, this one here is it's like a file. You know, under your feet over here. Sometimes you walk in the house and everything, you get the things that stick out here. Our auntie's feet is smooth. I mean the lady. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you auntie. Lady, you're walking bare feet now. It's too much, huh? Okay, next one. To dust everything out now. I don't need to clip the toenails because I filed it. So I'm skipping this part because it's unnecessary. I don't know why people do this thing, pedicures and everything. Now we need to dig the toenails off to see if any dirt. This one is a dangerous item. Only people that trained like me can operate items like this. So if you're trying to get a job in a pedicure business, manicure, whatever it is, I don't know which one, you must be careful because sharp items they got you. You got hurt. You saw I jumped. Okay, I'm done with 1 feet, 1 foot. Right, we'll put this one away and we'll go with this thing here. This one here is to start the moisturizing process. Basically, no, actually this one here, it absorbs all the moisture that was previously from the water and the mask and all the other things. It's a very important thing here for the toes. You can check here, plus to any hairs or anything. This thing here will just take it out one time. Ooh, lady. This one is a stubborn one, huh? This one under here. Oh, it is hard, very hard work this one, like you. I'm getting thirsty again. I'm drinking Elle Posh nails and spa water.
That's actually
For the client. Oh. You got another one? Oh, you got another one to give her. Oh, okay. Plus you got chocolates and everything, yeah.
Also,
Oh, it's for the client. Oh, you want? You don't. Right. The final part of the pedicure is to apply the products, yeah. OPI, Pro Spa, Skincare, Hands and Feet products. This one is called Moisture Bonding Ceramide Spray. This one is for the nails only. It will keep the moisture from leaving your feet, your nails. Okay, this is Advanced Callus Softening Gel, and this one goes under the heels over here, just in case they got any excess white things sticking out. This lady, yeah, I don't know, she's walking in neighbor's house, everything bare feet. That's why the things are sticking out. And soothing Moisture Mask. Oh Lord, if I put this thing, oh, I use this already. Oh, okay, last one I'm gonna use is called a Moisture Whip. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. So make you feel beautiful, make your feet feel beautiful. So when the people in your DMs ask you for pictures of your feet, this thing, you won't go wrong. Now this thing, you must rub it halfway. You must leave a little bit white there. So the person, they can feel like Michael Jackson when they're car, they can moonwalk up and down the place. There's too much here. Can I give you a full leg massage? Oh, okay. Moisturize, and that's, everyone, is how you do manicure, pedicure, whatever this is. Ha! I passed, right? I made it. I know it. I saw it. I can do this. I watched YouTube for many years. And now we're done. Ma'am, you're ready to roll now. You got your phone ready to take pictures of your feet. Right. I did my manicure thing, and I'm pretty sure I got the job. So anyway, how you think my manicure went? You know?
unfortunately, it did not go well. Reason being is because that's not the way we do a pedicure. At Elle Posh, we strive to do our best for our clients, make them feel happy and leave happy.
What you mean? But I did everything I saw on the YouTube video.
I think maybe you need to go to a proper institute to learn.
So I can't work here then?
No, unfortunately, it's not to our standard.
Hell. Oh, okay. Elle Posh Nails and Spa is based in Windermere, Durban, and they do nails, wax treatments, and massages. Now, my name is OG Two Scoops. I enjoyed myself. The people were really friendly here. They even have an online store for the products, the OPI products, and other products as well. So you can visit their online store and you can contact them to book a treatment for yourself. Guys, whatever I did was all, I don't know. That's what I thought a pedicure was. I mean a manicure. I mean I don't know. Whatever I did was whatever I did. But it wasn't what they do. They do professional. Now, I'm here up with y'all. I'm OG Two Scoops. Check them out. I'm out.